Okay, we are now in the Santa Monica Pier. That's Feliciano Manahan, that's on my right. Si Mami is on my left, on my right also. That's them. Okay, take a look at the camera. Yan, okay. This is yan, this is yan, the Baywatch area, huh? Whatever. O, churros na, may churros dito. Mukhang yan, that is the California. Ayan.
Yun, yung pag-kulay green, ang ating ano.
Saan? Saan? No, it's somewhere. Dito.
Green na yun.
No. Okay, that's another, as you can see, the blue sky. This is where yung mga movies are made, Yung mga Baywatch and movies, I think, Fugitive. Di ba may movie dito, nag-ano sila, yung kaya Harrison Ford, ha?
Harrison,
ganyan yan, Parang ano ito, nasa ano na kami, ang TV show. Ano yun, Fugitive kay Harrison Ford. Yan. This is now the view of the Pacific Ocean.